Hi, I'm Naturopath Tracey Lee Morley, and today we're going to be talking about the herbal uses of lemon balm. Melissa officinalis is a perennial herb that's part of the mint family. This herb is very easy to grow at home, and here's a video of my lemon balm. It's at the end of winter. I've just cut this back, and you can see it's really bounced back within a couple of weeks. It's starting to take off. What are the herbal uses of lemon balm? The lead actions of lemon balm is as an antispasmodic and as an antidepressive herb. So it's particularly useful for any type of digestive upsets associated with anxiety and or depression. It's a common herb that's used for clients with IBS. It's a gentle nervine tonic. It can be used for all ages. It's for sleep problems, for memory, and also it works as a mood enhancer. So it's a lovely, gentle nervine herb that I commonly use for clients. It also has actions for the heart. It helps lower the blood pressure and actually reduces any palpitations. So it can be used for anyone with thyroid, with their thyroid is overactive. It's also antiviral, but especially for against the herpes virus for cold sores. Now, it's important that you use the essential oil topically for it to have an effect on cold sores. So, how do you use lemon balm? In what form do you take it? Internally, the most common way to take it is as a tea, either from the fresh plant or as the dried herb. And this is my organic lemon balm that I put in a number of my herb tea blends. Your herbal practitioner can also dispense lemon balm as a herbal tincture, which is a lot stronger than the herbal tea. Now, if you're trying to buy the lemon balm as an essential oil, remember it's the most expensive oil, or one of the most expensive. So don't get confused with an infused oil, because you can make your own lip balm cold sore cream. So there's three simple ingredients you can mix together, and I'm going to add a link to I think it's a video of how to make your own lip balm. Very simple, very, very, very easy. Now you can also add fresh lemon balm to your ice drinks with water and lemon and lime. All right, now an overview of lemon balm is it's mostly used for digestive upsets where there's anxiety and depression associated with it. It improves your sleep, and also it works on cold sores. I'm Tracey Lee Morley. I'm a naturopath here in New South Wales, Australia. And if you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you.